What's up, guys? It is Thursday, 8:23 p.m. Just finishing up with the car, which is a good thing. It's Thursday and the car's actually pretty much ready. Got to do a bolt check tomorrow, put some terms in it, but I don't know. Of course, you can probably hear it over my loud mouth. It's raining because it's Pennsylvania. It's 2018, so why not rain, right? But anyways, so yeah, the car is ready, and I'm excited for tomorrow. There's only a 50% chance of rain. Hopefully, we can get the night in. Have a good night. Just got the engine back from Adrian. He did a really good job on it, as always. Thanks for that, Adrian. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for right now, guys. And we will see you tomorrow at Trailway Speedway. Just a hair. There. Whoa, whoa, too far. Forward. Forward a hair. I'll tell you when. Just hold the brakes then. I'll get it on. Right about there. So, recap so far tonight. Warm-ups. I was messing up my entry into the corner pretty bad. Losing a lot of momentum. The car ran alright, but my bad. The rear torsion, or the rear motor plate, I forgot to tighten and it came off. But learn from your mistakes, and I'm glad it wasn't something that flipped me or anything. But got another one from Foz Chassis. Thanks for that. And the car, I was doing a little bit better with my entry. Still losing. I'm trying to build consistency, you know, because I'm still a rookie. Whether I look like it or not, I'm still a rookie. Trying to build consistency and get some good laps in. You know, that's all it's about, making laps. But yeah, the car's fine. I'm happy with it, and hopefully the rest of the night goes better. Maybe we can get a top 10 in the feature or something. If I can get a little bit better at my driving. But yeah, we'll see you guys after the feature. To show up tonight. He's a little camera shy, don't worry about it. And crew chief Brett over there.
Yeah, you got a new
crew chief Brett. So I have some good news. What we thought was a blow up on Friday, thought I put a hole in the piston. Wasn't. The piston is fine, and looks like it was just a piece of metal got sucked through from the air filter through the carburetor into the combustion chamber, got stuck in the spark plug and ground it out and shut the engine off. And I thought it was a blow up, but it wasn't. So we got lucky that that spark plug grounded out like that, because if it didn't, we would end up blowing up because of the debris. And I found out why the air filters are getting crunched up. The chain tensioner is too close to the engine. It needs to be moved back a little bit. But other than that, thank you guys for watching this vlog this weekend, and we'll see you next weekend.